This is going to be for any Creality machine that is having issues reading an SD card, that one that carries maybe prints, one that carries firmware or any sort of touchscreen files. So in this case, this is the Dwinset, so this is just just a package for the touchscreen itself. Another case might be you have an SD card where you transfer your print files on. So you'll see online that people tell you to reformat this device, and they tell you FAT32 and 4096 bytes. Now you might not see 4096 bytes at all. You might have 8192. And the reason being is you have to be under 8 gigabytes. Mine is actually a 32 gigabyte. So what you'll do with Windows 10 is you'll trick this device by using disk management. You will delete the volume. Make sure I have the right one selected. So we'll delete the volume. So you'll select new simple volume. This may take a few moments to pop up. You'll hit next. You'll play it safe, 7050. We'll do that. Assign a letter F to sure. You want FAT32. I'm going to say true volume, true, 32 gigabyte, right? Because we know it's actually capable of holding 32 gigs. And then we will finish. And you'll see here that you can format to the 4096 bytes, and the printers should read the device. This is going to be additional footage for anyone who's flashing screen firmware. You're going to want to see that it actually downloads the file and doesn't display 0000. As you'll see here, it's going to be 0001, I believe. So this is what it should look like after it's installing those files. It'll flicker through them, and you'll see these files have been installed. Once it's done flashing your screen, you'll remove your SD card and you'll reboot your device, as you're seeing here. We'll jump forward. My particular instance was my machine was stuck on Chinese. No matter how many times I selected English, it would just jump back to Chinese when I changed the menu. You can see here, I've got it on English and it's sticking now in English. And that's about it.